Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into Bcbs Fep dental app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Bcbs Fep dental app gives you 24/7 access to your dental benefit. You can check claims, view your coverage and benefit, find in-network dentist, and even upload photos to submit out of network claim. However, plenty of users report major frustration like app login problem, slow performance, and limited functionalities, and don't always display correctly. So in my opinion, the app is worth using if you want mobile access to your Bcbs dental information, but don't rely on it as your sole tools. Many still prefer using the website or calling support. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.